Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take you to Mindstorms. It's inside Legoland. If you've never been here, we highly recommend it. It's extremely fun and you need to make reservations before you end. The activity is from 35 to 1 hour and they do have a person that tells them what to do, explains what they're going to do, and guess what? My mind was blown. It's extremely fun. Eileen and Ian, well, they were the first one finishing their project and they loved that. So if you have never been here, we highly recommend it. And there is a person outside Mindstorms that is taking the kids' name so you can register them. And make sure you do. It's super fun. Come on.
Come, let me show you what I did.
Ask her for help.
We have the tables in the center for you to give.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy. So I have this plugged in.
Oh, it has the ports in here for like a USB.
Yeah, I'm going to put this cord. I'm going to plug in the cord. You need to be careful because if you put it in the wrong one, it won't work. Goes this way. So now I have my finger. There's a cord. So I use that now. I need two of these, which are
This is really fun.
yes.
So if any one of you want to do this, well, your kids, you have to make a reservation. And they get instructions on how to do it.
We get to go.
Good job, Ian. Yes, it goes there.
To secure it.
Oh, wow, Eileen. It moves.
Yeah, it moves.
Oh, wow.
And then you put the gears over here.
Oh.
So these two.
Tiene la lengua. Look at that one. That's amazing. Are those eyes?
Yep.
So you're making what you guys saw in the video?
Yeah,
That is so cool. Let me see, Eileen. Let me see. Oh my gosh.
And then this is where you can change colors. What?
It says that it's already connected.
So put this.
That is so cool.
Stay there.
Put that right over there. This is so cool.
I need to find out how to make it. That's why it wasn't working.
Okay, put play to yours.
Ready? I put it so we can go for more time without crashing into stuff.
If you want more space, take it to the. You got yourself some frosted water.
Let's see if it goes down the ramp. Let's see if it goes down the ramp.
You can control it with your.
You ready?
Bring it back. Oh, that's cool. Oh,
Mira, ears is hanging up.
okay. Let me stop
I
it.
just broke it. Yeah, mine broke.
I stop it. I stop it.
Okay, go.
Play. No, it's
And you can use tables.
Yours keeps going backwards. And yours keeps losing the leg.
Why is mine keep on going backwards?
Let's do it, you want to do a forward and back? But do forward,
Wait,
yeah.
hold on. Excuse me.
It's not a frog.
They have to go here in the tray.
Yeah, just set them on top of the trays. Thank you. Welcome. Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
They
much.
did amazing. Very creative. Wow.
Guys, las manos en sanitizer.
That's fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, definitely.
Bye! Thank you for watching! Hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe!